Hi everyone, welcome to my first YouTube channel. I'm so excited. This is going to be a introduction video, my first video on a little bit about me, and I'll tell you all about what to expect from me. So I have my phone here, so if you see me looking down, it's just because I have questions that I'm sure you guys want to know about me. So I'm gonna get started. So what's my name? My name is Ayesha blank. I'll keep that other part a secret for now. Where do I live? I am from New York City. I live on Long Island. Why did I start a YouTube? I started a YouTube channel because I love, did I mention I love makeup? Hence my YouTube name, Ayeshalovesmakeup, which is very cliche, but it's straight to the point. I love makeup. So I want to be able to, this is just like a little outlet for me that I do in my free time, researching makeup, watching YouTube videos, buying makeup, and it's fun to like have a little outlet that I can share with everybody. So with that being said, you're gonna hear and see a lot of me for the future, so I'm very excited about that. But that's why I started, because I love makeup, and I always watch YouTube videos because other people love it. So I'm like, why don't I start one myself? So here I am. Let's see. Here I am, and I hope that you guys enjoy my channel. I'm gonna be having like a lot of content and a lot of fun stuff coming up. Okay, so what is my makeup background? My makeup background is pretty extensive. I've been doing makeup for a while now. I have worked for a couple of companies. I worked for MAC Cosmetics, Chanel Cosmetics, Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. Right now I'm in management. I'm more on the management aspect of things. I oversee an array of various brands, and I go to location to location and check up on my stores all over New York Metro, and Long Island. I am an executive for my company. I love my job. I love what I do. I wouldn't change it for the world. And I oversee a whole bunch of different brands. Anastasia, Urban Decay, Too Faced, Smashbox, Philosophy, It Cosmetics. I oversee a whole bunch of brands, so it's fun because I get to see like everything. It's not just one brand. Okay, so with that being said, what can you expect from me? So I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff. I shop practically every day buying makeup. I have like makeup sickness. I can't help myself. I'm sure you all can relate to that. So I'm going to be doing makeup hauls. I'm going to be doing, I do everything, high-end makeup hauls, low-end. I do the TJ Maxx, I do the Marshalls. So I'll bring you guys along with me when I go to Marshalls. When I go anywhere, I'm bringing you guys with me. It's going to be a very intimate relationship, you and me. What else? I want to post at least once or twice a week. I am a spanking new YouTuber, so to be honest with you, I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it because when you have a dream, you do it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but this is my passion and I love this. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it and see where the wind takes me. But bear with me, I'm not gonna be doing no crazy like lighting in the background and all that stuff. It's gonna take me time to learn all of that, but you know, this is me. When you want to do something, just do it. Stop making excuses and just start whatever you want to do. So here I am. I do practically all the subscription boxes. So I have like Ipsy Plus, I have BoxyCharm, Boxy Premium, I have FabFitFun. I do them all. So I'm going to be doing lots of unboxing videos. I'm so excited, guys, to finally do this. I've been wanting to do this for years, and every year I'm like, next year. It's now 2/20. It's time to do what I say I'm gonna do. So I was just a little nervous because I'm like, I don't know how the world's gonna perceive me, and you know, YouTube can be kind of harsh with that cancel culture that you guys do, and you know, cancel people out, and I see like even the most beautiful of people and the most gorgeous of people still get like mean comments to people. Oh, you need to fix your nose, and oh, you this looks ugly, and da 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 da. So I get nervous, but you know what? I love me, and that's all that matters. And this is going to be a positive channel, all about positivity and positive energy. So if you are negative, just click that, you know, backspace button and get out this channel, because it's all positive people on this channel. And then eventually I may spin off into a channel for like all about like being positive, because I tell everybody and I tell all my girls and all my stores about being positive and positive energy. My life has changed drastically from just being positive, so I may do something on like a positive channel. I love crystals as well, but I like a lot of stuff. So I'm like, should I do a crystals channel with positivity, positive energy, energy from your crystals? But makeup is my main passion, so that's going to be my first priority. And then eventually, if you guys comment and say that you guys love, you know, crystals and stuff like that, I can do a channel like that. I have a lot of ideas all just rolling in the back of my head, and we'll see what comes out soon. So with that being said, I'm gonna cut the video, but I am so excited to start this channel. Like, I can't believe, oh my gosh, what's today's date? February 23rd at 8:06 p.m. Ayesha finally started her YouTube channel. Yay! Thank you, God, for giving me the courage to do this. I won't let you guys down. This is gonna be a fun video. It's gonna be a fun channel, fun makeup channel. If you like makeup, if you don't like makeup, then this won't be the channel for you, because it's gonna be all about makeup. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.